The two schools for tonight's show. Manchester High from Manchester up against Cornwall College from St. James. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Manchester High is represented this evening by Johnny Williams, Jodianne Ellis, Sukenya Wilson, and team captain Dylan Reed. While Cornwall College is represented by Rashawn Stewart, Uchenna Njoku, Aaron Daly, and team captain Darian Street. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to this 11th match in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manchester High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Manchester High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, we have that time on the clock, so we'll begin with Spanish. Manchester, translate this sentence to English. Paulina llevó la blusa rota a la tienda.
Pauline brought the damaged blouse to the store.
Pauline wore the torn dress to the store. Spanish for Cornwall. Translate this sentence to English. Es difícil planchar una camisa que está hecha de lana.
It is hard to iron a shirt that is made of silk.
It is difficult to iron a shirt that is made of wool. International affairs for Manchester, a visual one. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Novus Mamadov.
Incorrect. Janos Ader, President of Hungary. International affairs for Cornwall. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Prokopis Pavlopoulos.
That's right, President of Greece. Literature for Manchester. The Doomsday Conspiracy is a novel by which American writer in 1991?
Gary Trudeau.
Incorrect. Sidney Sheldon. Literature for Cornwall. The Brethren is a legal thriller novel by which American author in 2000?
Stephen King.
Incorrect. John Grisham. Music and audio for Manchester. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Luther Vandross.
Mark Morrison, Return of the Mac. Music for Cornwall. Listen to the following clip and identify this group.
Boys to Men.
Incorrect. Shy, If I Ever Fall in Love. Jamaican Heritage for Manchester. What is the title of the Louise Bennett poem with the lines non-stop motion and commotion over Dinah Yard, my child?
Nellicotwan.
Incorrect. Hula Christmas. Cornwall, Jamaican Heritage. What is the title of the Louise Bennett poem with the line Sunday gone, rain come so, till parson couldn't left him yard?
New Scholar.
Incorrect. Uriah Preach. Theatre and Cinema, a visual for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Tiamory.
Incorrect. Lala Anthony. Theatre and Cinema for Cornwall. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Michael Ealy.
Good. French for Manchester. What is the French term for the clothes?
Les vêtements.
Good. French for Cornwall. What is the French term for the food?
Le crevé.
Incorrect. La nourriture. Sport or visual for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Jose Marino.
Good. Sport or visual for Cornwall. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Antonio Conte.
Good. Bible knowledge for Manchester. Amram and Jochebed were the parents of which patriarch?
Moses.
That's right. Bible knowledge for Cornwall. Who was the husband of the Israelite judge Deborah?
Shalom.
Incorrect. Lapidoth. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Cornwall College and Manchester High on 3-all. It's time to pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Geography. The question is Islamabad replaced which city as the capital of Pakistan? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after this.